What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 9 stocks in this video. So please hit that thumbs up button. That is greatly appreciated and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you want to support the channel and get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, 3 days of live trading in my Discord, definitely check out the Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. And now let's get right into Microsoft, which is up 3.19%, almost $11 up on the day, and a new all-time high. And let's just go back to yesterday's video and see what I said on Microsoft and also on Apple stock for a second. Pushing the price higher. Again, look at the candle. Dip buyers were ready to buy that dip once again on Apple, and now it's trading at almost 184 at the closing. So Apple stock definitely going to tomorrow. We could see another brand new all-time high on Apple stock. Support was holding on a pullback and now pushing through that resistance right here, 338. And if that breaks and holds tomorrow, guys, watch out for a new all-time high on Microsoft. And now let's get right into Microsoft, which is up 3.19%, almost $11 up on the day, and a new all-time high. And let's just go back to yesterday's video and see what I said on Microsoft and also on Apple stock for a second. So there you have it. Microsoft, just like I called it, a new all-time high, a brand new all-time high on Microsoft. And now if you look at my screen, if you're a small investor in the market right now, I would be scared because look at all these things that are going up. I mean, look at this move. Microsoft, upper Bollinger Band sitting at 345, stock trading close to 350. And not only this one, Triple Q, the ETF, it's up. RSI going off the page. Would you be buying something right now to hold long term? I don't care where the market is going. I'm not buying anything long term right now in the market. Definitely due for a correction, due for a pullback. Yes, market can continue to move higher, but this is not healthy right now in the market. So on Microsoft, just because I think that there will be a pullback, another thing, guys, market does not care. On Microsoft, on a pullback, now we have support, that previous all-time high, which is going to be around 345, and also we have support at 338 to 339, this breakout right here. To the upside, next stop on Microsoft, all the way up here at 355, and who knows, maybe even above that level, but I think it's due for a correction, a pullback, and that could be coming anytime soon, especially in the tech sector. So watch out for a pullback here on Microsoft, 345, 338 to 339. Also a strong support, this breakout. And then we also have support at 330 to 63, orange line, 13 SMA, and then 328.51, white line, 20 SMA. On Apple stock is up 1.12% and a new fresh all-time high on Apple stock, 186.52, and now it's holding above previous all-time high that we got just a few days ago, 185. So that's going to be a key level to watch on a pullback, but below that we also have support right here, 183.60 and then 180. Once we break 180, then possibly coming down here to 178.35, white line, 20 SMA, and then the gap down here at 176. As of right now, 185 to even 183.60 can hold. Early as tomorrow, we could see Apple going all the way up to 190. On Meta, it's up 3%, and the rally continuing here on Meta all the way up to possibly 290 very soon. And I've been talking about it since the breakout right here with that massive earning that 290 is coming on Meta. And look at this, guys, the continuation to the upside continuing here on Meta, and looks like we're not too far away. Look at this, 284 almost today, and now it's holding above right here, 275 to 276. That's gonna be key level of support to watch on a pullback. We also have support at 270, and then 263 white line 20 SMA. To the upside, watch out for that move all the way up to 290, and that's gonna be a big resistance here on Meta to watch once we get there. On Amazon stock, it's up 0.5%, and look at this buying and this pullback off of this 13 SMA, this orange line right here on this daily chart. 124 low for the day, orange line, 13 SMA sitting at 124.37. Buying dip right here on Amazon, and dip buyers pushing the price higher above blue line 5 SMA, almost got up to 128 and now trading at 127, holding blue line 5 SMA as a support 126. So we do have strong support at 126, 124.37, 121.66 white line 20 SMA, and Amazon can stay above 126. We're going to see Amazon going up to 130 and then 134. On Google, stock is up 1.13%, and Google now sitting above all the moving averages here on this daily chart. And once again, if you caught that dip, I mean, this cannot get any easier to trade Google stock or any mega caps out there in the market right now. And look at how the levels are working. 123, and you know that is a big level right here. It's holding, and then what happened? Going back up all the way up to 126, and now it's holding above all the moving averages right here on this daily chart. And that means what? 123 to 125 will be key level to watch on Google stock. And if that holds, this thing can break through right here, 126. We're going to see 130 on Google stock, and that could come early as tomorrow. To the downside, now we have support at 125, 123, 121.35, lower Bollinger Band, and then possibly coming down to this gap at 113.51. On Tesla stock, it's down 0.35%, and Tesla here, guys, it's holding above 253. And I talked about it last night and day before that watch out for this blue line to move up. And as this blue line 5 SMA moves up, Tesla will find strong support. And look at this again, going over 253 and closing close to 256. And that is a strong bullish trend on Tesla. The next stop above 253, 262. And if that breaks, Tesla going all the way up to not only 270, but very soon all the way up to 300. On a pullback, watch out for the support right here. Blue line 5 SMA 253, and if that gives up, Tesla could be rolling over in the short term, coming down and closing this gap at 235.23. We also have support at 230 on Tesla. Orange line 13 SMA on this daily chart. On Nvidia, stock is down 0.80%, and look at this pullback. And just like I said last night, if this thing gets down to 420, watch out for that as a support. Nvidia came down to 421, and that was it. Once again, found a lot of buyers, and now trading at 426.53. So the next stop on Nvidia above 420, definitely all the way up to now, not only 450, this thing can run, guys, all the way up to 454. And I know it sounds crazy after that massive run, but still, if you're shorting, be careful here on Nvidia. This thing can still run even higher, all the way up to 454. Now a break below 420 will bring Nvidia down to 410, blue line 5 SMA, and then the support at 400, and we got a gap down here at 395.30. On AMD, stock is down 2.43%, and I played AMD today, getting some calls at 123 and selling out at 125 for a nice profit, and now it's trading at 124 at the closing, holding above 122.47, not filling this gap at 122.21. So the gap is still open, and early as tomorrow we could see AMD coming down and closing this gap at 122.21, and that would be a strong support. On AMD stock, we got resistance at 126, blue line 5 SMA, and above that, watch out for a clear shot to 130 and then 135. On Netflix, is up 1%, and again, Netflix got very close to 450 right here, and now it's trading at 445, but also not even getting closer to 433 blue line 5 SMA, which is gonna be a stronger support on Netflix to watch on a pullback. Below that, we also have gap down here, 420, 470. So that's gonna be a support level to watch as well. And then 413, 13 SMA, 410 down here, this gap. To the upside, Netflix can break 450 and that holds. Watch out for a move all the way up to 470 to even 500 on Netflix. And the reason I'm putting out those big price targets on Netflix because this one here, guys, it was beaten down from 700 down to what, 100 and some change, and now it's going back up on a monstrous run to the upside. And that means one thing. I mean, look at all the other stocks. Look at Microsoft breaking out to a new all-time high, Apple, then you got Nvda, and now Netflix can do that also. And then we have AMD. We also got Tesla, Google, Amazon, and those are all in line. Now, it's not going to be a one shot where, this thing pops and goes to like 500. No, there will be a pullback, and I'm waiting for that pullback here in the market, and especially on the tech sector. So be careful out there. If you're day trading, make sure you have your stop losses in place because anytime we could get a pullback in this market. And that is all I have for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for watching.